Leave your mark with the signature tool. The signature is the last tool on the toolbar. When you click on it for the first time, it'll prompt you to upload or draw your signature. You can draw it on your browser, or on your phone or tablet. For this, Kemi will send a link to the email account you input on the Create Signature dialog. After you upload or create your new signature, it'll be saved on the tool for you to use next time. You can also use the signature tool to upload personalized stickers, images, or GIFs for quick access to frequently used elements.